Looking for a hassle-free way to mount your Scosche MagicMount Pro on a new surface? The Scosche MPDBASE-2PKBP0 adhesive base is designed exactly for that. Whether you've switched vehicles or just want an extra base, this automotive-grade adhesive gives you a strong, lasting hold on flat surfaces. No complicated installation needed. I recently moved my MagicMount Pro from one car to another and needed a fresh base to stick it onto the new dashboard. Instead of buying an entirely new mount, I grabbed the MPDBASE-2PKBP0 2-pack. It came with everything I needed: 2 adhesive bases, alcohol prep wipes to clean the surface, and a clear user manual. The setup was quick, and the mount felt just as sturdy as before. It's reassuring to know the adhesive is automotive grade, built to hold through bumps, heat, and daily use. What makes this base stand out is its compatibility with a wide range of Scosche MagicMount models, including MPDA, MPDB, MPDI, MPDBP0, MPDXTPP1, MPD2PKUSB, and MPDXTPR1. So no matter which MagicMount Pro you own, you're covered. Plus, having 2 bases means you can keep one handy as a backup or switch between vehicles without hassle. If you value convenience and a secure hold for your device, this adhesive base is worth a look. If you're ready to upgrade your mounting setup without the cost of a full new mount, the Scosche MPDBASE-2PKBP0 is a smart choice. It's reliable, easy to use, and designed specifically for your MagicMount Pro. Try it when you're ready to keep your phone or device exactly where you need it, firmly and safely.